Fredrix Artist Canvas, serving artists since 1868. Introducing the Pro Dixie Stretch It Yourself kit. The kit comes in a long, easy to transport box. Simple hand tools are all you need for assembly. Canvas pliers are not required. The kit includes a sheet of canvas pre-attached to one stretcher bar and 3 additional stretcher bars. It also includes the required corner and cross braces for your kit. It also includes the patented Fredrix Clever Lever and all required hardware to build your Stretch It Yourself kit. Roll out your canvas. This will reveal the tube covering the stretcher bar that is pre-attached to the canvas. Lay your canvas flat, face down, with the pre-attached stretcher bar closest to you. Assemble your stretcher bar frame with the 3 additional stretcher bars, inserting the tongue and grooves in each corner together. There is an additional video on this flash drive that will give you more information on how to build your square-up frame. The patented corner brace design will help ensure an accurate and easy square-up of your frame. Place the corner brace in the lower groove of the stretcher bar, and using the included screws, attach one corner brace to your stretcher bar frame. This will form a perfect 90-degree angle corner. Ensure the corner of your stretcher bar frame forms a perfect point at the corner before installing the braces. Ensure the 2 sides of your corner brace are flush against the stretcher bar, and then install them using the 6 provided screws. Next, install the corner brace on the side diagonally opposite of your first corner. Now install corner braces 3 and 4 and your cross braces and attach them using the screws in the pre-drilled holes. After installing your 4 corner braces and your cross braces, now will be the time to begin assembling your canvas. In the box, you will find 2 levers used to stretch your canvas. First, set up to do the side that is opposite of the bar with the pre-attached canvas. Place the lever in the top groove of the stretcher bar and fold the canvas over the top of the lever in a 90-degree position as shown. Place the long clip over the top of the canvas and press down. Now attach the short clips towards the ends of the lever to attach the canvas to the lever near the end. After the clips are attached, ensure the lever is positioned into the top groove of the stretcher bar. Gently push down the lever to create the tension to stretch your canvas, and then holding the lever down with one hand, use your staple gun to start attaching the canvas to your stretcher bar frame. After you finish stapling, use your razor knife to trim the canvas between the lever and the stretcher bar frame. Turn your canvas 90 degrees to begin the process of creating your folded corners on your 3rd side. Additional video is found on this flash drive with detailed information on how to accurately fold your corners. After you fold your corners, they will retain a memory long enough for you to attach the lever and the clips and then stretch your 3rd side. Trim your 3rd side, removing the lever, and turn your canvas 180 degrees to begin doing the 4th side. Fold your corners on the 4th side, attach the lever and the clips, stretch your 4th side, and trim it to create your stretch canvas. Congratulations, you've just assembled your Pro Dixie Stretch It Yourself kit by Fredrix.